What if I told you that you could start a side hustle today without spending a single dollar, using only AI tools? In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I did it, step by step, and how you can replicate it to start earning money immediately. Hi, welcome back to AI Profit Lab, your go-to channel for AI experiments, tutorials, and money-making strategies. Many people think starting a side hustle requires money upfront, but with AI, you can start completely free. Today, I'll show you how I built a side hustle using free AI tools, earned real money, and scaled it over time. Key points: no investment required. Beginner-friendly, no prior experience. Tools are accessible and free. Step 1. Choose your niche. Examples: social media content, blog writing, digital art, microtasks. Pick something high demand and low cost. Step 2. Pick free AI tools. ChatGPT free for writing and research. Canva free for design and visuals. Pictory free tier for video content. Murf AI free for voiceovers. Step 3. Create your product or service. Write blogs, social media posts, or create graphics or videos. Package them as services for platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or social media groups. Step 4. Start selling. Post services for $5 to $20 depending on task. Deliver work using AI tools, which saves time and effort. Step 5. Repeat and scale. Complete 3 to 5 gigs per day, $50 to $100 easily. Reuse templates and automate repetitive tasks. Focus on high-demand services to scale faster. You don't need money to start. AI does the heavy lifting. Choose services with instant delivery for faster cash. Deliver high-quality work. Human review improves results. Combine multiple AI tools for maximum productivity. Keep experimenting to find the most profitable tasks. As you can see, starting a side hustle without spending a dollar is totally possible with AI. This is just the beginning. You can scale this side hustle into a full-time income. Comment below, which AI tool are you going to try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to learn more AI side hustle tips every week.